Hi everyone, Judd Burden here from AsphaltKingdom.com. I'm here with President of RynoWorx, Leigh Kuhn. We are presently at the National Pavement Expo here in Cleveland, Ohio, 2018. It's been really cold outside for the last couple days, but let me tell you, this booth has been hot this whole show. So we're at the RynoWorx booth right now, the ultimate solutions for crack filling. And let me tell you, Mr. Leigh Kuhn has worked with engineers and taken the time and dedication to build incredible machines that are helping contractors throughout the world maximize their business as it relates to crack fill. I want to shoot this video for you for one reason, because I really want you to get the tips that truly are going to impact your business when it comes to crack filling. So Leigh, what would you say is the #1 most important thing relevant to a business that is providing a crack filling service?
Undoubtedly, well, for one thing, taking pride in your work. If you don't care about what you're doing, then nothing's going to really matter. So it's pretty important to make sure that you're doing a good job, and that just means that if you don't know a lot about it, you're trying to figure out how to do a good job and constantly critiquing your work and looking for better ways to do it. So preparation is undoubtedly the most important aspect of doing crack filling. If you don't have properly prepared cracks, crack filler is not going to be very effective. So either using a router, and if you're not using a router, then using even a crack cleaning machine, such as a Billy Goat or a Billy Goat Grazer or a Little Wonder or a Land Shark. Those tools, for people that don't have the big budget, those tools work really well for cleaning and preparing cracks, and they're not overly expensive, and they're really simple to operate. So I'd say that's pretty critical. And then finally, when you're melting your product, choosing a kettle that efficiently melts material but doesn't compromise the integrity of the material is really important too. So using a direct fired kettle, for instance, ours use a burner that spreads heat equally across the bottom of the burner. This reduces crystallization across all the material, and it keeps it at a more equal temperature. This is a far more effective way of doing it, and it ensures that the end product that you put down is going to have good integrity.
Yeah, thank you so much. Those are incredible tips that were just shared with you. So take those tips, write them down in your notepad, or take them on your phone, and truly value those. Apply them to your business to maximize your business and continue to be more successful and grow it as well. Here at the National Pavement Expo with Mr. Leigh Kuhn, President of RynoWorx. Thanks so much for your time, Leigh.
Thanks, Judd.